Take a look at this. Do you love what you see? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make your own grilled fish at home, or as it is called in Nigeria, point and kill. If this video is interesting to you, keep watching. Don't skip any part because you are going to learn a lot. So I'm starting up with my bell pepper. I have bell pepper, onions, garlic, and ginger. So I'm going to chop the bell pepper into smaller sizes, and then I'll transfer it into my food processor. If you don't have food processor, you can also use your blender to blend it, and you can also use mortar. If you are still making use of our local mortar, you can still use it. It's still going to come out nice. Nigerians love to eat grilled fish. When you go to any local joint in Nigeria, they have point and kill there alongside with fresh palm wine. We love it so much. That is where we spend our money. So guys, as you can see, I transfer all of them into the food processor, and then I'm going to process it. Like I said, you can use your blender, you can use your mortar. Next, I am putting the red oil in the frying pan, and then I'm going to cover it and allow it to bleach a little. So I'm going to cover the oil and allow it to bleach for about 5 minutes, and then next I'm going to be transferring the chopped bell pepper into the oil, and then I'm going to fry it for about 5 minutes. In Nigerians' kitchen, we all find our rule. After 5 minutes, I'm going to give it a stir and then go in with my spices, which I'm going to be listing in the description box of this video. Remember, you can also use your own spices. Once I add the spice, I'm going to give it a mix and then cover it again to steam for another 2 minutes. While I allow it to steam for another 2 minutes, next I'm going to bring out the fish and clean it up. At this point, I've already washed the fish neatly. I'm just going to use a kitchen towel to dry the water from the fish. So next, I'm going to use the knife to put a mark on the fish. Reason why I'm doing this, I want my ingredients to go into the fish through that way. So I'm going to repeat it at the other side. Once I'm done doing that, I'm going to use my kitchen scissors to cut off the gills from the fish. There's laughter in the seasoning, a dance in every dish. From pepper soup so spicy to your grandmama's wish. Her secret blend of spices brings warmth to the room. In Nigerians' kitchen, comfort chases. Next, I'm going to be pouring Maggi and salt on the fish. And then I'm going to use my hands to apply it all over the body of the fish. Make sure it goes into the cuts I put on the fish. Kitchen, we all find our role. Hear the sizzle on the stovetop, a symphony in pans, while the garlic mingles softly with the bold plantains. Everybody a journey to lands both old and new. In Nigerians' kitchen, dreams come true. From dawn's early light to the evening's hush. So next, I'm going to be transferring the fish into my baking tray, and then I'm going to be applying the sauce I made on the fish. So this part, you are going to apply the sauce. Make sure it goes into the fish through the parts that are open. Where stories blend with spices, memories find their place. Each dish a celebration from the heart and soul. In Nigerians' kitchen, we all find our role. Once I'm done applying the sauce on the fish, next I'm going to be putting lemon on the belly of the fish. This part is optional. If you're not the type that love lemon, don't put it. So once I'm done putting it, I'm going to put it in the oven and I'll grill it for about 40 to 45 minutes, depending on how hot your oven is. And then that is it. Your grilled fish is ready, or point and kill is ready. It really came out nice and it tastes amazing. Like there's no different from the one you buy in your local joint. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section. And if you are going to be trying it, let me know in the comment section. See you all on my next one. Bye!
Yoma's recipes make the flavor sing, mixing traditions with a modern zing. Everybody joy you can't dismiss, making magic in the kitchen with a twist.